Another question we get frequently at Grason-Stadler is how do I import the data that I exported from another version of GSI Suite? In order to import that data, you will go to the configuration icon here at the top, and then you'll select the General tab. About halfway down, you will see the configuration data, import and export, and from here you will select import data. This will pull up the import window, and then you can browse to the folder that you saved, the zipped folder that you saved earlier that had your predefined comments or your reports or whatever the thing was that you had. Once you have selected that file and you hit OK or open, it will actually give you a list of things that are contained in that file. So you make sure all of the components that you transferred over are present. You push import. It will be complete, and then when you go into your predefined comments or your report templates or whatever it was that you imported, they will be ready and available to use.